Bad credit? Here's how to build your credit score fast with no hard inquiry. My name is Credit Coach Nicole Scott. If you are looking to build credit, repair credit, get funding, business credit, start a credit repair business, and all of the above, join the credit community. But we're talking about the secured pledge loan hack. Guys, if you are not familiar with this, we are going to be putting our own cash onto our credit report using the money that's in our savings account. You can do this with most credit unions out there. I should say some. Navy Federal is most popular for this play. PenFed, Apple Federal, Randolph Brooks, you name it. There are many credit unions out there that will allow you to do a secured savings loan to help you build credit. And a lot of credit builders are available by credit unions, which are the same kind of concept. But we want to skip that whole secured credit card. We want to avoid secured credit cards at all costs. In fact, people are getting denied from having secured credit cards. A lot of people might think, oh yeah, secured credit card is going to help me build credit. Well, yes, it does, but it's also a red flag that you had bad credit and couldn't even get approved for a regular credit card. So what we want to do instead is do a secured loan. There's no hard credit pull. It reports to all 3 credit bureaus to help you build credit. And here is the kicker. Set it up on auto pay. All right. You can pay back 80 to 90% of the loan within the first month or 2. So that way you only have a very small percentage of that loan still owed, technically. You want to keep it open for as long as possible. The goal is 24 months, so you can show your ability to pay on time over time. Because if you're going to have other loans, like if you want to do the Lightstream play, you're going to need to show that you have the ability to pay a decent sized payment over time. Now the pledge loan, secured loan, they start low. You can do one for as low as $250 in some cases. Would I recommend doing that low? Of course not. The higher the better, especially if you want to get approved for higher amounts of loans and credit cards. Now the goal here is to do the pledge loan, build your relationship with the bank, 5 or more banking products, comment the word guide. I'll send you my free guide on how I did it and the results that happen when you do things the right way and you actually learn before you just start pulling the trigger. Don't listen to all these other people on social media. I got your back. My name is Credit Coach Nicole Scott. Make sure you are subscribed on YouTube, and most importantly, join the credit community where I teach you information just like this and so much more that is going to help you change your life, leverage credit, and most importantly, be able to help others do the same thing. Let's go.